Have you ever wondered how some farmers manage to grow large, healthy vegetables even with limited land and changing weather conditions? In Korea, many farmers have developed smart and efficient techniques that allow them to produce impressive harvests while still protecting the soil and environment. What makes these methods fascinating is that they are not only based on modern technology but also on traditional farming wisdom that has been passed down for generations. These simple yet powerful practices help farmers grow crops more efficiently, improve soil health, and maintain sustainable farming systems. In Korean agriculture, vegetables such as Napa cabbage and Korean radish play an important role because they are key ingredients in traditional foods like kimchi. Because these crops are so important in daily life, Korean farmers have spent many years perfecting the best ways to grow them successfully. From careful soil preparation and natural fertilizers to efficient water use and smart farming innovations, these techniques are designed to produce healthier vegetables while making farming more productive and environmentally friendly. In today's video, we are going to explore 10 Korean farming secrets that could completely change the way you grow vegetables. Whether you are a home gardener, a small farmer, or simply curious about how agriculture works in different parts of the world, these techniques offer practical ideas that anyone can learn from. Some of these secrets are surprisingly simple, while others show how modern technology is helping farmers grow better crops than ever before. So stay with me as we uncover these fascinating farming practices and discover what makes Korean vegetable farming so unique. Korean farming secret number 1: focus on soil health. First, one of the most important secrets behind successful Korean vegetable farming is a strong focus on soil health. Korean farmers believe that healthy soil is the foundation of every productive farm. Instead of planting crops immediately, they often spend weeks preparing the soil to make sure it is rich in nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. This preparation usually includes adding compost, natural organic matter, and sometimes fermented plant materials that improve soil fertility. Healthy soil helps plants grow stronger roots and absorb nutrients more effectively. When soil contains the right balance of minerals and microbes, vegetables tend to grow faster and produce better harvests. Crops like Napa cabbage depend heavily on nutrient-rich soil to develop large leaves and good flavor. Another important aspect of soil care is maintaining soil structure. Korean farmers try to avoid practices that damage the soil, such as excessive tilling or chemical overuse. Instead, they focus on long-term soil improvement so their land can remain productive for many years. This approach teaches an important lesson: if you want healthier plants and better harvests, start by improving the soil first. Korean farming secret number 2: smart crop rotation. Crop rotation is another important technique widely used by Korean farmers. Instead of growing the same vegetable in the same field every year, farmers rotate different crops from season to season. This simple strategy helps maintain soil fertility and reduces the risk of plant diseases. For example, a farmer may grow leafy vegetables during one season, then plant root vegetables like Korean radish in the next season. After that, they might plant legumes or other crops that naturally add nutrients back into the soil. Crop rotation works because different plants require different nutrients from the soil. By changing crops regularly, the soil has time to recover and restore its natural balance. This also prevents harmful pests and diseases from building up in the soil, which often happens when the same crop is grown repeatedly. Another advantage of crop rotation is improved productivity over time. Fields that follow a rotation plan often produce stronger plants and more consistent harvests. Korean farmers have relied on this method for generations because it keeps farmland healthy and sustainable without needing excessive chemical inputs. Korean farming secret number 3: natural fermented fertilizer zone. Fascinating technique used in Korean agriculture is the use of fermented natural fertilizers. Instead of relying only on commercial fertilizers, many farmers prepare nutrient solutions by fermenting plant materials, fruit scraps, or herbs during fermentation. Beneficial microorganisms break down organic matter and release nutrients that plants can easily absorb. Once the fermentation process is complete, the liquid is diluted with water and applied to crops as a natural fertilizer. This technique provides multiple benefits for vegetable growth. First, it delivers essential nutrients that help plants grow stronger and healthier. Second, it introduces helpful microbes that improve soil life and plant health. Fermented fertilizers are often used to support crops like Napa cabbage, which require strong nutrient support during their growth stages. Another advantage is sustainability. Because these fertilizers are made from natural ingredients, they help reduce dependence on synthetic chemicals and promote environmentally friendly farming practices. This method demonstrates how traditional knowledge can still play an important role in modern agriculture. Korean farming secret number 4. Efficient water management. Water management is a critical part of Korean farming success. Instead of simply watering fields whenever possible, farmers carefully control how and when water is applied to crops. Many farms use irrigation systems that deliver water directly to plant roots. This approach ensures that plants receive enough moisture while minimizing water waste. It also helps prevent soil erosion and nutrient loss. Proper water management is especially important for vegetables like Korean radish, which require consistent moisture to grow evenly and develop their characteristic size. Korean farmers also pay close attention to weather patterns. They adjust watering schedules depending on rainfall, temperature, and soil conditions. By carefully managing water resources, farmers protect both their crops and the surrounding environment. Efficient irrigation not only supports healthy plant growth but also reduces unnecessary water consumption, making farming more sustainable. This method highlights how thoughtful resource management can significantly improve agricultural productivity. Korean farming secret number 5. Natural pest control. Instead of relying entirely on chemical pesticides, many Korean farmers use natural pest management strategies. This approach focuses on maintaining a balanced ecosystem in the field so that harmful insects are naturally controlled. One common method is encouraging beneficial insects that feed on pests. For example, insects like ladybugs naturally consume aphids and other plant-damaging pests. By protecting these helpful insects, farmers reduce the need for chemical treatments. Another technique involves planting certain companion plants that repel harmful insects. These plants release natural scents that discourage pests from attacking nearby crops. Vegetables used in traditional foods such as kimchi must maintain high quality, so natural pest control helps protect crops without excessive chemical use. This approach improves environmental sustainability and keeps farms healthier in the long term. It also protects soil organisms and pollinators that play an important role in agriculture. Natural pest control shows that working with nature can be one of the most effective farming strategies. Korean farming secret. Number 6. Careful seasonal planning. Seasonal planning is another important strategy used by Korean farmers. Every crop has an ideal growing season, and planting at the right time can make a huge difference in productivity. Farmers carefully observe temperature patterns, rainfall, and sunlight hours before deciding when to plant specific vegetables. This helps ensure that crops grow under the most favorable conditions. For example, cool season vegetables like Napa cabbage grow best during cooler months when temperatures are moderate. Planting them during extremely hot weather could reduce their quality and yield. By following seasonal planting schedules, farmers avoid unnecessary crop stress and reduce the risk of plant diseases. This also allows them to plan multiple harvests throughout the year. Careful seasonal planning ensures that farmland remains productive and that crops reach their full potential. Korean farming secret. Number 7. Maximizing small space. Land availability in Korea is limited, which has encouraged farmers to develop methods that maximize productivity in smaller spaces. Instead of spreading crops widely across large areas, Farmers use organized planting patterns and raised beds to increase efficiency. By planting vegetables closer together in carefully planned rows, farmers can produce more food from the same amount of land. This technique is particularly useful for small farms and home gardens. Urban farming has also become popular in large cities like Seoul, where rooftop gardens and compact farming systems are used to grow fresh vegetables. These space-efficient techniques make farming possible even in crowded environments. They also help reduce transportation distances because food can be grown closer to where people live. Maximizing small spaces is a great example of how creative farming strategies can overcome land limitations. Korean farming secret number 8. Protective greenhouse farming. Greenhouses play a major role in modern Korean agriculture. These structures create a controlled environment where farmers can protect crops from extreme weather conditions. Inside a greenhouse, farmers can manage temperature, humidity, and airflow. This protection allows vegetables to grow even during colder months when outdoor farming might be difficult. Greenhouses also help protect crops from heavy rain, strong winds, and sudden temperature changes. As a result, farmers can maintain stable growing conditions throughout the year. Vegetables grown in greenhouses often have better quality because they are shielded from environmental stress. Crops like Napa cabbage can be cultivated more consistently with this method. Greenhouse farming allows Korean farmers to increase production while maintaining crop quality and reliability. Korean farming secret number 9. Smart farming technology. Korea is known for adopting advanced technologies in agriculture. Many modern farms now use smart farming systems that rely on sensors and automated tools. These technologies monitor factors such as soil moisture, temperature, and humidity. If conditions change, automated systems can adjust irrigation or ventilation to maintain ideal growing environments. Smart farming systems are becoming more common around agricultural regions near Seoul and other developed areas. This technology helps farmers make data-driven decisions and respond quickly to environmental changes. It also reduces labor requirements while improving crop productivity. Smart farming demonstrates how innovation can help agriculture become more efficient and sustainable in the future. Korean farming secret number 10. Long-term sustainability. Final and perhaps most important Korean farming secret is a strong commitment to sustainability. Korean farmers understand that protecting natural resources is essential for future food production. Practices such as soil conservation, responsible water use, and reduced chemical inputs help maintain healthy farmland for generations. Sustainable farming focuses on balancing productivity with environmental protection. Farmers also aim to preserve biodiversity by maintaining natural ecosystems around their fields. This supports pollinators, beneficial insects, and soil organisms that contribute to crop health. Vegetables used in traditional foods like kimchi benefit from these sustainable practices because they grow in healthier environments. By respecting nature and maintaining ecological balance, Korean farmers ensure that their land remains productive for many years to come. As we've seen in this video, Korean farmers use a powerful combination of traditional wisdom, smart planning, and modern innovation to grow healthy and productive vegetable crops. From focusing on soil health and practicing crop rotation to using natural fertilizers and smart farming technology, each of these techniques plays an important role in improving harvests while protecting the environment. These methods show that successful farming is not only about working harder, but also about working smarter and respecting nature's balance. Vegetables such as Napa cabbage and Korean radish are essential ingredients in traditional foods like kimchi, which is why Korean farmers have spent generations perfecting their growing techniques. The result is a farming system that is both productive and sustainable. If you are a gardener, farmer, or someone interested in agriculture, Even applying a few of these ideas can help improve the way vegetables are grown. Small changes like improving soil quality, planting crops by season, or using natural pest control can make a big difference over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others who love farming, and subscribe to the channel for more agricultural tips and farming knowledge. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.